just wanted to quickly show the process that we use to clean the rhizons. So these were in the jars of mud that I just pulled them out, and then I just used some tap water to rinse them off and scrub them gently, make sure all the soil particles are gone. I just pulled them out of these jars of mud, so they were totally covered with all kinds of mud. We're going to store them in distilled water, but first we'll rinse them off a little bit. So I just used a gentle scrub pad to get all the mud off, different parts of them, especially it sticks in the corners where the tubing connects to one another. And then once they're scrubbed off well, give another rinse with tap water, and then I made some 0.5% hydrochloric acid over here. So this is 0.5% HCl. I'll just leave them in there, and then connect to the a syringe so that we can pull a vacuum on them to pull a little bit of the 0.5% HCl through. We have these custom-made sticks that are just the right length to pull a vacuum, and then prop it open so that it'll hold the vacuum full, so we can connect it to the rhizons and then let them sit for a few minutes to pull out, I don't know, maybe about 5 milliliters of HCl through is sufficient to clean them. And then once they've had a few milliliters pull through them, then we'll put them in another distilled water. That's about 5 milliliters, so then we can put it in another distilled water tank that I have here that will finish the job of cleaning them out. And once they have, I put about probably 10 or 15 milliliters of the distilled water. I like to get more of that rinsed through to make sure they're good and clean. And then once we have once we've rinsed them with distilled water, then I've been storing them in this other jar of distilled water that has just the clean rhizons in them, and then we can reuse them when we need